back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living spaces with timeless design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore a captivating trend, the industrial terrace decor and tips for makeover old terrace to look stylish. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine the raw, exposed brick walls and iron beams of a converted warehouse. Now, translate that aesthetic to your outdoor haven. Industrial terrace decor embraces the essence of urban spaces, creating a sophisticated yet edgy atmosphere. This style celebrates functionality and simplicity, utilizing robust materials like metal, concrete, and reclaimed wood. The beauty of industrial design lies in its versatility. It seamlessly blends with modern architecture while adding a touch of grit to traditional settings. Here are some compelling reasons to embrace this trend. First, durability. Industrial materials are built to last, ideal for withstanding harsh weather conditions. Second, low maintenance. Patina and a weathered look are hallmarks of the style, minimizing the need for constant upkeep. Third, timeless appeal. Industrial design remains a perennial favorite, ensuring your terrace stays stylish for years to come. Fourth, versatility. This style easily integrates with greenery, pops of color, and other design elements, allowing you to personalize your space. Now, let's delve into the practicalities of transforming your terrace. Here's a roadmap to guide you on how to decorate your terrace using industrial style. First, furniture. Opt for sleek metal chairs, distressed wooden benches, or concrete stools. Consider incorporating weathered leather cushions for added comfort. Second, flooring. Concrete pavers, polished concrete screed, or even reclaimed wood decking create a sturdy and stylish foundation. Third, lighting. String lights draped across the ceiling or strategically placed industrial pendant lamps illuminate the space with a warm glow. Fourth, storage. Utilize metal cabinets, galvanized steel bins, or antique trunks for storing gardening supplies or cushions. Fifth, accessories. Introduce industrial accents with metal sculptures, vintage clocks, or weathered signage. Don't forget to incorporate greenery, potted succulents, cacti, and climbing vines add a touch of life. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 industrial terrace decor ideas. 1. Hanging metal planters. Showcase vibrant blooms or cascading greenery with suspended metal planters. 2. Repurposed industrial carts. Utilize a vintage bar cart as a drink station or a weathered tool cart for displaying potted plants. 3. DIY concrete fire pit. Create a cozy gathering spot by building your own fire pit using concrete blocks. 4. Upcycled crates for seating. Reimagine sturdy wooden crates as side tables or extra seating with colorful cushions. 5. Exposed brick wall feature. If your terrace boasts a brick wall, leave it exposed for a raw, industrial feel. 6. Metal railings with climbing vines. Soften the industrial aesthetic by allowing climbing vines to gracefully drape over metal railings. 7. Woven rope rug. Introduce texture and warmth with a large, weatherproof woven rope rug. 8. Geometric metal lanterns. Add a touch of whimsy with geometric metal lanterns, casting captivating shadows when lit. 9. String lights with Edison bulbs. Opt for string lights adorned with vintage-style Edison bulbs for a warm, inviting ambience. 10. Statement metal sculpture. Captivate the eye with a unique, industrial-inspired metal sculpture as a focal point. How to make over an old terrace with an industrial touch. Revitalize your existing terrace with a touch of industrial magic. Here's the simple step-by-steps. First, reupholster outdoor furniture. Breathe new life into old furniture with weatherproof, industrial-inspired fabric. Second, paint concrete floors. Opt for a cool gray concrete paint to create a polished yet industrial base. Third, introduce metal accents. Add metal wall art, planters, or hanging lamps for an instant industrial upgrade. Fourth, transform old crates. Upcycle wooden crates as shelves or side tables. By embracing industrial terrace decor, you can cultivate a chic and captivating outdoor space. Remember, this style thrives on a blend of functionality and personality. So, unleash your creativity, incorporate these ideas, and personalize your terrace to reflect your unique urban spirit. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design ideas. We'd love to see your industrial terrace transformations. Share your photos and tag us on social media using hashtags Homes Decor Designs. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy decorating! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.